Mark, I recently came across an interview of yours on global media where you've gone on record and you've said that, look, as in Chinese, as an investor, I'm worried about my money, which is in China, where I'm not allowed to withdraw the money. Is it true? Are you facing that problem?
That was the problem, but now it's been solved. Thanks for the news. People at the banks began to wake up and realize that it doesn't make sense to be holding up my money in China. So I've been able to solve that. Thank God.
Mark, you had 3 stocks in India last time when we interacted with you. Have you made it 4? Are you planning to make it 5 or even 6?
Well, I'd like to make it more and more. And the thing that I'm looking at, of course, is the whole technology area, and not necessarily the software, but the hardware. I believe that this is going to be very interesting going forward. So I'm really interested in increasing that allocation in India through those channels.
Why do you like technology in India? Because Indian technology sector is still exposed to the global macros. The global macros are looking challenging. Indian IT companies get a lion's share of business from the BFSI space, and that's where the global problem is. Are you not worried about it?
No, the reason why I'm not worried is that when you get down to it, when companies are in trouble or when societies are in trouble, when governments are in trouble, they turn to technology to solve their problems. And technology often can solve their problems. So the technology area is going to grow globally in any case. But more importantly, India is going to be taking a bigger and bigger role in the semiconductor and hardware area, in the semiconductor technology area. And the reason for that is that the problems with China and the US means that a lot of the manufacturing that has been taking place in China has to move away. That's the reason why Taiwan manufacturers are looking to India as a place to manufacture and to keep up their services to their clients in America and Europe.
Mark, so for those who keep on pointing out this consistent fact again and again, which is that Indian markets are great, Indian economy is moving in the right direction, but Indian stocks are not fairly priced, but they're richly priced. So if you're buying gold at the price of gold, you are unlikely to make great gains.
Well, if you look at the Indian market from a longer term perspective, the potential is incredible. I'm not too concerned about these short-term moves. The market could go down 10, 15%, even 20%. That really doesn't concern me. In fact, it could be an opportunity to buy more. So it really depends on what stocks you're holding. If you're holding stocks with very little debt, with good return on capital, then you should do fine, regardless of what happens to the market.